Take my video.
But apparently I'm walking home now.
Alright guys, we're in the HellHound. Transmission's out again. I don't know if you can hear the noise, but boy, it's too bad. Probably here. Anyhow, we're gonna be the videos, change the transmission. See when we get there. There we go.
Maybe hold the front while you do it.
I'm trying to. Yeah. There. Yeah, well. It'll spread. Should. See what happens there. Sounds pretty solid there. Yeah. I know I never spread that frame before.
I don't remember you spreading it the last time you was here.
Not the last two times I was here.
Yeah.
Maybe just, you know, Superman it and grab the hold and squeeze it together.
Yeah, that's what I did.
Wonder if you get it started in there and tap it up.
Yeah. Well, it won't start that way either.
Oh, no, no.
Sure. Yeah, that maybe you could start it up over this. Since it's angled, like would it clearance itself if you pushed it, you know, tapped it up over that and then it pop over?
Right.
There you go.
Did the other side.
That is a tool that stands familiar. I still like that fucking. What case you got you for a lighter?
The 20 pounder? I still use that every now and then.
I still like seeing the fucking snowmobile head. Keep them things to death. You know what?
Yeah, it's tape. Yeah.
Don't let it hit you in the face.
There's that one. That's how you still want one?
No.
No.
I could be pry it.
Okay. Still do pride? All right.
Pry it a little bit and then tap it. It should go up on it. It's catching on there.
Okay. Forgot that tree control.
Months back before she died, she kept getting on me. She said, we need to go to the license bureau and get that put in there.
Yeah.
And, pick it up. Huh?
Nope. You better dead than I am out there. There you go.
Karen made the comment that car.
Right. You have a big pile of twisted scrap. Yeah. No. Take my video. I think we're done. Our shifter and oil.
My favorite part.
Yeah. Yeah. Yep.
A little easier to do this time around.
Yeah.
Not on the side of the road. Parking lot.
There's already pre-fit. This thing least wasn't bad to do. Pretty quick.
Yeah, you're only at what? Not even 3 hours.
Yeah. Shave a little bit off that.
What do you mean?
A little shift done. Dragging.
Your shaft's too long.
Yep. Shave some off. That's like the funnest part. I think you got it. There we go. Oh, no, maybe not.
I think you make them. As I say, when you turn it this way, it like lifts up the bottom.
Yeah, I think I need to try and shove it into gear, baby.
Alright, I might have started.
Must have. I think I might go around again, maybe.
Mm-hmm. Sorry, my hat's in the way. My hat was in the way.
Maybe not.
Might be a little awkward for me to sit in the middle.
No, I'd go stiff. You won't go anywhere.
No?
Get you hooked on there. There we go.
The blind Jerry. Did it make it neutral before? Was it making it neutral before? Oh. Alright, well, we got it running, driving, going. We're ready for RatStock next weekend. But apparently I'm walking home now. So we'll see everybody next week at RatStock in Grafton, Illinois. Fingers crossed, we'll see everybody out there. Thanks.